Tumble down the rabbit hole and let curiosity be your guide. Inspired by Lewis Carroll's classic literary series, this limited edition nail stamping collection features illustrations and inspired designs perfect for celebrating all 364 unbirthdays in Wonderland. So this month we have Queen of Hearts P146, a sheer red jelly nail polish with iridescent flakies. And then Alice B436, which is a vibrant cerulean blue in our classic cream finish. And then It's Tea Time and We've Saved You a Seat. MXM099 invites you to the maddest tea party in town. Polish off a pot of your favorite brew with some familiar faces and a few forest vines in full nail and accent nail stamping designs. The next plate. Practice your poker face for a visit from the Queen. MXM100 deals a winning hand of stamping designs featuring card suits, roses, and characters from the royal court. This month's surprise gift is our red roses glitter. So let's upgrade those painted roses with a bit of shine, sprinkle on a little bit for subtle sparkle, or rub onto an entire nail to create a manicure fit for royalty. Isn't it pretty?